Hi, and welcome to Narratives of Sailing. This class is going to focus on exploring not only what does it mean to read a narrative and to understand how it tells about a journey, but also this course is meant to introduce you to the rigors and hopefully the joys of being a college student. So I want to take a few minutes to take you through some things and ideas and technology that we'll be using in class so that you'll be much more comfortable as we move forward. Well, if you've enrolled in this class, then you've probably done a little bit of research on me. Well, maybe not. But if you did, you might have discovered my website. I try to update it as frequently as possible. Sometimes I do it every week. Most of the times it's every 2 or 3 weeks. However, what you can see is, of course, some information about me. And then, of course, if you would like to, you can continue to navigate and go to the various classes that you see on the left-hand side that I teach. One, the class you're in, Narratives of Sailing, and then, of course, Western Heritage, which you will be in, and then Quest for Meaning. You can explore all of these links. Some of them have some information that might be relevant to you, and others are going to give you information about who I am as a scholar, as a teacher, and then, of course, as a facilitator. But let's go ahead and go to our website, Narratives of Sailing. This site is going to be one of the areas that you'll be accessing to gather information about the course. You can see that the home page just gives you some general information, and it'll give you, as we get closer, my office and my office hours. You can see my emails, also where you can access me for instant messaging. And also, to get back to my home page, you can click here. If you click in this area, what you will see is Welcome to your first experience with class and college life. And there's some success tips. I'm going to hit on a couple of them today because I want you to be prepared. I want you to be successful. Number one, come to class. Don't skip, come to class, which means you probably need to get organized. This is very important in every aspect of life, and more so than ever going to be important to you as you enter into college. Read. Embrace your inner geeks. Give them a name. Make the plunge into academic excellence. We're all in this together. And ask questions. Never be afraid to say something, to ask a question, or to be engaged. Questions and inquiry are the key to being successful also. There's some others here, being involved. Not just coming to class, not just getting work done, but really learning, engaging in camaraderie with your other students, with your peers, with your professors. Understand what you need to do. Be conscientious about your health and set realistic expectations. These are keys to being successful in all arenas, but especially in college. You can go through the various different stages of this website to get yourself oriented. And of course, the course syllabus is on there that gives you the breakdown and gives you all the information you need. Take a look at this before you come to class. The schedule will let you know when you click on a certain date what we're doing, some daily resources that'll help you but may or may not be covered, and then of course we'll have a variety of different areas that we're going to discuss in class. This is going to be key. So, like I said, access the site, and you can go through web.me.com/Kat Robinson to access my homepage and then get to this site. Or you can also go through my Eckerd address, which will be posted and is on the bottom of my email. The other bit of technology that you're going to want to get posted and is on the bottom of my email. The other bit of technology that you're going to want to get comfortable with is going to be myeckerd.edu. This is your one-stop shop for all the information that you need that's going to be outside of the website. You will want to log in, check your email, of course, and this is also going to be where you're going to access the online course materials. Here, there's going to be a variety of different bits of information and postings that you'll be able to access. So please do explore these sites and check your email. It's important to stay in communication. But when all else fails, go to the Narratives of Sailing webpage and get the information, and of course, send me an email. Lastly, I want to welcome you to the next 4 years of your life. It's going to be fun, it's going to be exciting, it's going to be a lot of work. But at the end of this journey, you will have a lifetime of experiences, tons of journeys, many memories, and hopefully this all starts now. So prepare yourself, get ready, and make sure that as you enter into this next phase of your life, that you're open and receptive and engaged. And never forget to keep asking questions.